Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so today I'm about to introduce a new arbitrage opportunity for you. This one is a crypto arbitrage. So you have to pay critical attention and listen to what I'm about to say. So today you'll be using Binance and Paxful or Remitano. So anyone that will come to our head, I will use it. Is that then? Yeah. So before we start, I'm doing this for free. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You share my videos so that we will reach masses. Is that then? Yeah. So when you open your platform, so if you're not on Binance, I have that the download link in my description. You can create a Binance account, then you start following what I'm about to teach you. Yeah. So this is how we do it. We are about to do arbitrage, and this one is a crypto. So you buy the crypto from a platform that we will get the crypto for a lesser amount. Then we go to a platform that we can sell it for higher amounts for 10 times profit or even more. So that's what we're about to do right now. Yeah. So today I'm about to use USDT crypto coin to do it. Yeah. So after register your Binance account and everything, or if you are already on Binance, you open your account. So since you don't have any money in the accounts, first of all, you have to go to P2P, or you have to go to your trade and go to your buy. Buy here. You can buy the crypto from Binance account straight here. Yeah, so you just enter the amount. Let's say you want to spend 2,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be getting 125.66 USDT. Then you click on buy USDT and you proceed to buy. Or you can also go to P2P, and you can buy the crypto over here. So you see, buying crypto from this person, I'll be spending 15.89 Ghana cedis per one crypto. So it means that if I want to buy, so let me click on it. If I want to buy crypto from this person, so let's say I want to spend 2,000 Ghana cedis, it means that I'll be getting 125 USDT for the 2,000 Ghana cedis I spent. So it means that before I will get profit, I have to sell this thing and get more money. You see that thing? Yeah, I have to sell this thing and get more than 2,000 Ghana cedis. I have to sell this 125 USDT and get more than 2,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So after buying this thing, you place your order here, then you'll do the transaction and everything. So after buying it, right now, if you go to your wallet, you see that your wallet, not the founder, but the spot wallet, will be 125 USDT. Follow the steps I'm teaching you. Yeah, it will be 125 USDT. So it means that right now we have spent 2,000 Ghana cedis for what? 125 USDT. And since, let's go to the trade here, the P2P sell, and let me show you something. So if I come to the sell here, you see that there's no opportunity over here, because like I bought the 10187. So me selling this thing, I will not get anything. So it means that there's no opportunity on Binance. So I have to take this money to a different platform. Yeah. So I'll close this thing and open my Paxful accounts. So when I open my Paxful account, I'll see whether there's opportunity over there. So first of all, let me go to my marketplace and go to sell, because I'm here to sell my crypto, here to sell my USDT, and let me check and see whether I can, because I bought it 15 16.89. Let's say I bought it 16 USD, 16 Ghana cedis. So I have to sell it, let's say higher, like 20 or 25 or 17. And when you want to be in a trade with the person, there are 5 things you have to consider before doing a trade with the person. And this one, okay, let's go. So you'll get there. So you set through it till you find a better person to do your trade with. And when you want to do the trade with some person, you have to also consider some physical things before the things I was talking about. Yeah, so I will show you that things. So you say that this person is ready to buy it for 16.21 Ghana cedis. This person 17.15, but this person will send the money to your cheaper cash. So it means that if you don't have cheaper cash, you can't do trade with this person. So let's assume that you have mobile money. So this person is mobile money, and this person is selling for 18.48. 18.48. And the first one you spent what, like 2,000, and you got 156. So it means that if I want to do trade with this person more money, so it means that I will see if I open this thing, before you do a trade with a person, apart from checking to see that more money and things, there are also some things you have to notice first. And that one, if you be part of my pay student, I will show you that tricks. That one day I will not show you right here. No. So when I come to the platform, sell USDT to what? Mucho PK by mobile trusted vendor. So you see that we have how much do you want to sell and pay you. So I'll consider pay me. So pay me. So 2,000 is the money I invested. So if I said I want to, 2,000. So if I said I want 2,000, that means I'm ready to what? Release 108 USDT. And that one, I have more than that. So if I want to sell all this thing, so I got how much? I think it was 156, right? 156. So selling 156 USDT to the person will pay me 2,883.94. It means that I have, let's say, 900 Ghana cedis as what? As profit. You see that thing? As profit. I hope you get it. Yeah, it means I have 883.94 as profit. So you can also check in. You can get better offers. You can get this person Eversend, me to have Eversend account. So this person, I said I want to send my 156 to the person. 156. The person will pay me 4,300 and what? 706. So it means that I have gotten 2,376 Ghana cedis as what? Profits. I've gotten 2,000 because I spent just 2,000 to buy the USDT, and when I'm selling this USDT, I'm getting extra 2,376. So it means that I'm making double profit from this thing. So this person will pay the money into my Eversend account. And before you jump straight to a trade with a person, I said there are 5 things you have to consider before, or else you will end up doing a wrong business and you may lose your money. That's why I said crypto trading, arbitrage and things, you can't just do it on your own, because these YouTubers will not tell you anything. Yeah, but when you sign up into their mentorship, they will show you all the tricks involved. That's how it is. Is that then? Yeah. So you can go through and you can see a lot of good offers. So when you see that, okay, this is the offer, then it's time for you to transfer your money from your Binance to Paxful. And that's how you do it. You go to your wallet here and you go to receive. So receive is USDT. Then you choose Tron TRC20 address. Then you copy your address here. So when you copy your address here, then you open your Binance wallet. So right now I'm here to transfer money, the money I bought from Binance to Paxful. So I'll go to withdraw here. So because I'm withdrawing the money from Binance to Paxful, and I'll choose USDT, send via crypto network. Then I'll paste the address I copied from Paxful here. Then I'll select the network, that's TRC20 address that I copied, and I'll say I want to transfer the 156. You see, yeah. So when I transfer 156, Binance will deduct $1 from it, so I'll get 155. You see, yeah. So I'll get 155, and then I'll transfer this 155 to Paxful. You see that thing? Yeah. So I'll transfer this 155 to Paxful. So it means that the USDT I bought on this platform right now, I'm transferring the USDT from this platform to Paxful. You see that thing? Yeah, to Paxful. So I'm transferring this USDT to Paxful. I hope you get it. Yeah. So this how like we do it. So if I transfer the money and I'll come to my Paxful account and I come to total balance, you see that the money will be what will be here. And if I go to my USDT, it will reflect over here. So if it reflects over here, then I can go to even sell, and it will take me here for me to sell my USDT on the marketplace on Paxful. You see, if I click on the sell here, it can take me here for me to sell my USDT on the Paxful market and make my profits. But be careful and listen to what I'm saying. I said there are 5 things you have to consider before jumping straight to a trade with a person, and these 5 things we don't teach it for free. That one, if you be in my mentorship, I can teach you, but for free. I don't teach it for free, but I can show you how you can do your arbitrage and everything for free on YouTube. But me telling the secrets and everything, that one they will not tell you. That one is business. It's that thing. Yeah. So this is how you do your arbitrage and make double of profits and even times 10 profits. Is that thing? Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And if you want to chat me, I have all my details in the description. Chat me and let's vibe and let's make money together. The names remain the same. Run Technology Company, and I'm out.